the profound purpose for this year's commemoration of the UN Day in support of torture victims is to make an annual reflection on the progress made by both state and non-state actors towards the prevention of torture and other cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Torture is prevalent in our homes and the communities. We have had instances where children are subjected to severe beatings disguised as punishment. Housemaids are denied food or have their meager earnings deducted over small mistakes in the course of performance of their duties in their homes. Border riders and fishermen being stripped naked and bathed in the open because the society thinks they don't want to bathe. Husbands or wives neglecting their duty.
Resolute in contributing towards torture prevention and accountability and enhancing the citizenry agency to demand access to justice from relevant institutions in Uganda for torture suffered. This year's UN Day has been commemorated under the local theme, Torture-Free Communities for All by All. It is a theme which resonates with the setup of the main event today and relatedly in Kabong in the Karamoja sub-region and Gulu district. Specialized care and support should be accessible to all by all.
Torture is not just a problem for the victims and the perpetrators, it is a stain on our entire community. It is a call to action for every one of us to educate, to advocate, and to ensure that our laws are not just words on paper, but living instruments of justice and promotion of human rights and rule of law. Uganda now has a progressive legal and regulatory framework that bars against torture and other inhuman treatment. This includes the Prevention and Prohibition of Torture Act, the Human Rights Enforcement Act, the Prevention and Prohibition of Torture Regulations of 2017. These frameworks provide mechanisms and penalties that offer redress for torture victims and generally promote respect.
Let's stand together no matter who we are. Let's stand together, huh? Let's fight and fight until we overcome. My brother, my sister,